Scotty, what have we found?
Well, we're getting ready to put the new power antenna in, which is really cool. Great setup. I like this particular company. They are, I mean, he chose exactly what I wanted.
Yeah.
But at some point in time, someone changed out the original to go to this. Great, not a problem. Well, what you're supposed to do, take this off and put it on for your factory. Normal. It's not a hard thing to do. Just unscrew, put the new one on. Well, it's been in there for so long.
Uh-oh. Yeah, that's not supposed to look like that.
No, not at all.
I'm trying to focus. Focus! Damn fucking phones. Oh, maybe. Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
Okay,
So check.
so-
Anyway.
Okay, not a big deal. So we're right to do what we're doing.
Yeah.
Now the only problem is, look at the factory setup. See the screw?
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to screw into here.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh.
We have to replace the entire line going to the stereo.
Okay, so we need an antenna cable. Great. Lovely news.
And it's about
It's a long one.
12 feet.
Yeah, it's a long one.
I really, really, really wanted to get all the stereo, all the back end wiring completely done in one shot.
Yeah. Alright, so now we need a cable. So we'll figure that
And
out.
he has to get the one that is the
Push in. The adapter cell.
female version for this,
Yeah.
and then male, of course, to go into the stereo. But the problem is, guess where the wiring harness is? On top of the fuel tank.
Mm-hmm. That's gonna be fun. We'll figure it out. We'll get it. I think we can get it up there. It's gonna be okay, Scotty. Breathe.
Well, the problem is it does this, because I routed it back to factory. It goes directly through the factory grommet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Through the factory grommet.
Yeah.
It's going to be an absolute nightmare.
Yeah, we'll get it.
But the old one's out, and I really can see the issues that it was having. Now I can actually show everybody.
Yeah. That's broke.
She brokey wokey.
She brokey wokey wokey.
Oh no, I
Wow. Oh god.
sorry, I had to. I'm trying to lighten up the mood. It's just everything was going so good. I'm like, all right, I got the exact match. It's going to look factory sitting on the car, which is exactly what I wanted. Yippee-ki-yay.
Nope. Oh well, but progress. Progress
Yes.
nonetheless.
Correct. Progress nonetheless.
All right, let's carry on.
See ya.